tell you that much. So what are we doing today? Bridal shower? Also for your 5th wedding. Good job, you'll find the right one this time. We're gonna do a neutral look for the bridal shower. Okay, I got you. You can trust me. I'm gonna start off with some concealer. Looks like you might even have some acne. Let me get that too. Okay, just a little dot. Yeah, just tap. Oh, gorgeous. Looks stunning. Eyeshadow here. We're gonna start off with a hot pink. Trust me, it's gonna be neutral. Don't worry. Just close your eyes and just trust me. Yeah, a little bit of green and blue. So, do you think this wedding is gonna go well for you? 17th looks the charm is what they always say. Never back down, never what, never give up. Add some blush there, no smile. Let's give you a really nice lipstick. Any filler? Oh wow, this stuff is amazing. I'm actually gonna let you keep this afterwards, okay? First I'm gonna ask you to blink, 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 and let's say, no, you don't have to look in the mirror. Trust me, you look so good. Have a good bridal shower. Enjoy your 17th wedding or whatever that was, okay? And here's this mascara. Okay, bye now. Bye. Get out of here. Yeah, get out of here. Just close your eyes and focus in. Just count the number of times you see the light pass by your eyes. Close, close, close here. Just keeping them closed. Relax your jaw. And how many was that? Good. Eyes still closed. Tell me the name of a fruit. Good. Now tell me when you can hear the taps. Good. No peeking. Eyes closed. Very good. Tell me what color you see in front of your eyelids in 3, 2, 1. And again in 3, 2, 1. Awesome. Eyes still closed. Go ahead and shrug your shoulders. Good. Now look up. Eyes closed still. Look down. And relax. You can open your eyes if you want. 6 old school ASMR triggers guaranteed to make you fall asleep. Let me just brush your hair. There we go. Let me just put some lip gloss on you, okay? Oh my god, bestie, did you do your makeup in the dark? I'm gonna get you right cleansing foam to get this stuff off your face. You need like a whole bunch. Just gonna bring a little life back to your face, you know. Hey bestie, do you happen to have any blush? Yeah, I like totally forgot to put on some today and it looked kind of like dead, so I was wondering if I could borrow your blush.
this onto your face. Got a little bit of foundation on the back of my hand. I'm just going to blend, buffing it out. Buffing it out. Translucent powder. We're going to do some blush now. And just buff this into your beautiful cheeks. Cheeks. I'm just going to do a little bit on the nose as well. A little tiny bit